guys? My name's Andrew, and we're gonna play the Hands on Human Body toy. I hope you have fun. Now show the video. Okay, first we get the brain. Then we get the skull top. Goes above of the brain, like the brain hat. Then we put the skull bottom and we put it over there. And then we get the skull front, put it over there. There. Okay, now let's do the spine and ribs and everything. Okay, so first in this step, we get the spine and ribs. And then we get the scapula and put it over there. Put the other scapula and put it in the opposite over there. Then we get the pelvis and put it over there. And then we get the other part of the pelvis, put it over there. Now let's do the other bone. Okay, let's get the skin. Then put the skull over there. Then we get the spine and ribs and put it over there. Okay, now let's do the arms. First, we get the humerus and put it over there. And then we get the ulna and radius and put it over there. And then we get the hand bone over there. Now let's do the leg. Yay! And the leg first. Get the femur, the biggest bone, and then put it over there. And then we get the tibia and fibia, put it over there. And then we get the feet bone, and then we put it over there. Okay, now let's do. So first, get the nerves, put in the body like this. Okay, now let's do the organ. So first, we get the lungs. Where we breathe. Okay, and put them over there. And then we get the trachea and esophagus. Then we put it over there. And then we get heart that goes like and put it over there. The heart pumps the blood, goes there. And then we get diaphragm, and then we put it over there. And then we get the kidneys and bladder that makes you pee. That over there. And then we get the stomach over there. Then we get the liver, put it over there. Then we get intestines and put it over there. Okay, now what you're doing? So first, we got the arm muscle, and then get the red nerve, and then put it over there. And then get the blue nerve, put over there. Then get there is where we put the arm muscle. Then we get the leg muscle. Then we put the red nerve over And this is the red nerve. And we put it over there. Then we get, there comes the red nerve. And then put nerve over there. Okay. And then we put the leg muscle over there. Now let's put the other part of the skin on and we'll be done. Okay. Actually, there's one more part before the skin. Put the rib cage over. Then we get the front part of the skin and put it over there. Then we get the stand and put this human over there. Now we're done. Now let's do the outro. Bye guys. I hope you like my video. Now I hope you subscribe and like. I don't have that much subscribers, so subscribe fastly, please. Thank you. Bye bye.